Good morning to everybody. It's
Some would
Wednesday, and we're going to do a little something different this week. We're still, going to be answering questions from everybody on whatever embroidery topics you want to talk about. We will go over sales that are going on right now, but we're also going to do a little bit of live crafting with everybody while we talk.
Tonight, our 5 designs for $10 ends.
So yeah, so get those special designs that you've been looking for. So all January releases are also 65% off till the end of the month. So that's something to be
that's really
for.
fun. We have a really fun question.
Oh,
ooh!
If you had a theme song, what would it be? And I want you to think about
really hard.
Like when you walk into a room, what would your theme song be? But for real, what is your theme song?
I really had to think about this one. And I feel like it could go so many different ways on different days. But today, I'm going to go with Live Your Life by T-Pain. If you don't know that song, it's a good one. It's a banger. It works in any instance.
We determined before the meeting before the live stream, this meeting with all of you, is that mine is, I think it's called Living in the Sunlight, Loving in the Moonlight by Tiny Tim. Because I am literally that just overly enthusiastic all the time.
Also,
we're gonna make tassels this morning. And we do have a great new release up. We've got some of the designs behind us. Okay, so this is what I did. I told Sammy, don't tell me anything about this, because I want the hilarity of me trying to learn how to do this on camera. We also have a tutorial.
We do. Well, it's part of another tutorial.
Okay.
It's a tutorial inside of a tutorial. It's our Highland cow.
Oh, it's the Highland cow. Got it.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to try to make these tassels. And if you haven't done this before, come along with me, because I don't know what the heck is happening.
Grab some yarn, grab some embroidery floss.
Okay.
So we have embroidery floss, which is more of like a nice clean look to your tassel.
If you make the tassel out of embroidery floss, it's going to be finer and a little bit thinner overall. And this would be nice to go like on a bookmark, but then the yarn is a little poofier, and we've, like you said,
cuddly.
That was
More fun. But these are great for like keychains. They're great for, have you said bookmarks?
Yeah.
You can put them on like a zipper pouch.
I am going to take one. I'm going to put one on one of these lace hearts. And like maybe you can make like a little window hanger with it.
So does everyone have either their yarn or their embroidery floss?
If you got some near you, if you want to, you can do this with me. If not, come back and watch it again.
Bonnie, what color are you going to pick?
I think I'm going to do a mix of red and pink.
Get out of here. That sounds so much fun. What you're going to do is you're going to start by wrapping your thread around. And then you're going to start wrapping. So the more fingers that you use, like the more length that you're going to get too. So you just start wrapping. Don't wrap it too tight because you don't want to also like cut off circulation. Make sure your string is still like as far as like because that's going to be part of your tassel, you know?
I fear I've already gone wrong.
We're going to cut it. But don't take it off your hand yet.
Frick.
Take your color. You're going to go like 10 inches or something, just cut.
Okay.
And
I think Hayden's giggling at me in the other room.
And you're going to cut it.
Okay.
And we're going to wrap it right under like a little snuggie.
So you put it underneath.
And then bring it on top.
And then you put it to the top. Okay.
Now we're going to tie a knot. Just one little knot.
How? So I should not have done this on my dominant hand.
And then you can take it off your hand. Now you're going to take your string again. And you're going to do another 10 inches. Now we're going to lay it flat. This is good. Lay it flat.
Okay.
And you're going to just tie a double knot now.
Around it? So you're generating the little top knot part right now, right?
Yeah. And now we're going to wrap it. So technically it could be done now if you wanted it to be.
If you trim the bottom, right?
Yeah. But we're not done.
Okay, what are we doing?
And now I'm wrapping it because I'm going to finish mine off.
You're going to wrap
each side. Just wrap it different ways because you're making a nice, and then just tie it again. So now you have like a cute little tassel moment, right? And then you're going to cut it. And I'm just going to make mine even because
as messed up as the entire thing went for me, it actually looks impressive.
And you can sew this part into like a pouch or something.
So I wanted to take this and tie it onto this piece of lace. So yeah, this is the little tassel, and then you could have a hanger up here. You could put a little crystal bead on that.
Yeah, you could.
Hang it in your window. So yeah, I used a mix of 2 different yarns. You literally witnessed me trying to do this for the first time.
Way easier than...
It is way easier than I thought.
Everyone post your tassels because this is really fun.
Yep. Well, have a great rest of the day. It was so fun to craft with you all, and see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.